Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Megalookhair. And you guys, I went blonde today. I have a couple of things to talk about in regards to this wig, but we'll get into it. As I mentioned before, this wig is from Megalookhair. It is a Barbie blonde wig, and it supposedly has brown highlights, which I kind of feel like they're there, but they're pretty subtle on me because of my brown skin tone, but they are there. Now, the lace size that I have is a 6x5, and this is a body wave texture. I forgot the inch size that I have, but the direct link will be listed in the description box down below. Just so you guys are aware, this wig does come in a straight texture, and it also does come in a 13x4 lace frontal as well, so keep all of that in mind. Now, as you guys can see, this wig did come pre-curled. The lace does come pre-cut. The knots are pretty non-existent. It has the adjustable strap, etc. You guys know all that good stuff. As far as the hair quality, the hair is 100% human hair. I want to say this is around like 180% density. It's not giving me an exact number on the website, but just going off of how it feels, it definitely feels like 180-ish. It doesn't feel super thin like any wigs I've had in the past. Now, as you guys can see, I added some foundation all over the lace per the usual, and now I am just cutting off some of that additional lace that's on the closure because I just felt like it had a little bit too much lace for my personal taste. Now, the wig cap unfortunately was too big for me, so I will be going in with some lace melting spray to hold her in place and to also help her melt a little bit better because the lace was pretty transparent. Now, if you guys want to know something funny, I literally was about to do a voiceover for this video and basically kind of say this wig did not come how I wanted it to. It didn't come out as planned until I took another look at the link and I accidentally selected the Barbie blonde. I did not mean to do that. Now, I feel like blonde wigs on brown and darker skin tones, they are tea. They look really nice on some girls. You guys know how I am about blonde wigs on me. I try to give it a chance every now and then. Sometimes though, well, majority of the time, it just doesn't work out. I feel like I know how to make it look pretty, but I just can't get into it because of the undertone. So this was completely my mistake. I did not mean to select a Barbie blonde with brown highlights. I actually would have thought maybe an ash blonde would look best on me, and I don't know why I thought that's what I selected, but it's not. So I'm not gonna bash the wig or anything like that. I think it came really nice for what it is. The only critique that I really had was the fact that the lace in itself was very transparent, meaning it was very white. So I did a lot of blending, a lot of makeup, etc. And then another thing that I will say is that this wig did have some shedding. I don't know if it has to do with the fact that this is a blonde wig, and you know, maybe it has something to do with the processing. I don't know, but the shedding was really annoying to me, so I just want to throw that out there. Now, another thing that was bothering me is because this wig is super blonde. You guys know I have the issue with my edges just showing out and making a scene. So I did have to add some baby hairs on this wig, and I also cut some layers in her to kind of just hide all the areas that were just not looking right to me. It was a little messy, but I got her together. So this is what the wig is looking like right now, and I promise you guys, it looks so much better on camera than it did in person. Even the makeup that I added on the lace looks a whole lot better on camera than it did in person. So if you're wondering why I styled it the way that I did, it's because in person I felt like the lace was too noticeable. The makeup didn't hide it. It low-key almost made it worse. And my edges were showing out. The baby hairs that I tried to add, like, it wasn't working out. So I just want to be transparent and really honest with you guys because I feel like on camera it looks so much better. than it did in person. So for me specifically, I had to style it in a way that was going to hide some of the areas that I was insecure about, and that's part of the reason why I cut the layers and kind of just made it work. Now honestly, if I really wanted to wear this wig outside, I would have definitely used the purple shampoo to help with the undertone of the wig. I would have definitely cut some bangs. Like, you could hook this wig up. It's just that I tend to promote wigs how they come per se, and I wasn't planning on wearing this wig out, but if I was gonna wear it out, yeah, I would have to do some work on her in order for me to feel 100% comfortable. But this was the final look. I think she's very pretty for what she is. Comment down below, let me know what you guys are thinking. The direct link will be listed in my description box, so make sure you guys check it out. I will be giving this one away as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.